Morning.
And that's that nearly done.
I wish people would have bells actually, that would make a lot of difference on the canal. Grr. Good morning, it's Monday again and welcome to a new week of vlogging. I'm just going to feed these birds. And today is an Urban Wonder Day, so that's blogging and vlogging and sorting house stuff, chopping a rose later, and then hopefully our life insurance comes through and we can go join the gym this evening. So very exciting, very busy, and thanks for joining me for another week. Good morning. Good morning. Just about to eat one of my favourite afternoon snacks, and lettuce.
And that's that nearly done.
Just grabbing some quick evening miles as we've just joined the gym. So tomorrow we'll be going to body balance. Very exciting. So for breakfast. Good morning, it's Tuesday and we're out earlier today because I put slow cooker porridge on last night and we have this in our big hot cold flask things. It's very exciting, but it made morning routine a lot easier because I have to chase Tika around. She likes to eat everyone's food. And today's a refill day, and then after that we're off to the gym to do body balance because we're fully blown gym members now. So wait till we're buff. And then home for mac and peas for tea. So all in all, I think it's going to be a very good day.
The duck goose. Here they come.
Right, so I'm just home after my first session at the gym. We did body balance and it was brilliant. It was really good. Good amount of challenge, and I've realised I have very weak ankles, which is strange for a walker. But something I'll be working on. So I'm going to get changed, sort the cats out, and then plan my next gym sessions. Very exciting.
Morning.
Now look what I've done. Good morning, it's Wednesday and I've just been treating the birds up near ours this morning to some feed, and we're on the Rochdale Canal walking into town and then home to do some refill work, and then we're going swimming at the gym tonight. We're turning into right gym bunnies. Well, I know it's only day 2, but you know, it's a start. So have a great day and I'll see you later.
When you spent the morning collecting the shed feathers from the geese, especially for the cats.
Right, So I've just finished work and I'm getting ready to head out to go to the gym and go swimming, but I received a very fun new gardening toy today, so I thought I'd open it before I go.
Now I need a one-handed lick. Any guesses what it is? I'll show you what it does at the weekend.
If I can wait that long. Well, that's the first swim done, and I think I'm going to be feeling my arms tomorrow, put it that way. Hopefully I'll be able to work, and then another workout tomorrow.
Quick video of the garden, just to see all the nice flowers and my peony before we get the storm that'll probably knock them all off. I don't know how much the Beyonce and Jay-Z gig you can hear here, but we can hear it up in our house.
Good morning, it's Thursday and we have very aching muscles, don't we, Jit?
Yeah.
We've been working hard at the gym and we've realised we have muscles in places we didn't know we had muscles. So it's quite surprising we're walking. Although actually my legs feel strangely fine. Do yours?
Yeah, actually, not bad.
We could go to that cycle class tonight. Watch out, bike.
Thanks.
Alright. I wish people would have bells actually, that would make a lot of difference on the canal. Grrr, that's the third bike that's gone past without one. You see, and as you can see from behind the video, we weren't aware it was there. Anyway, refill day, early meeting, got my bird food, and I'll see you later. Oh yeah, we woke up to slightly different weather this morning. It looked autumnal out the window. Rather grey sky and a bit windy, but it's still warm. So you don't really know what to wear still. So my new swimming goggles have arrived. I don't know if they're upside down or not. How I'm spending my lunchtime.
Extend outwards and backwards. Push the water backwards with the soles of your feet to accelerate and propel your body forwards.
Come downstairs for a moment just before leaving and this happens. All the cats everywhere.
Which is wonderful when you have sore muscles. Ah. Good morning, it's Friday! And I'm back on the really loud Allen Way on the way to the Ashton Canal. And this morning is a bit different because we're going to practice clinic and then breakfast at German Cafe on Oxford Road. So, a good morning, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then cleaning day, doing a bit of gardening, that sort of thing. And then off to body balancing again this evening at the gym. So, have a great day and I'll see you later. Celebratory breakfast. Because I've been discharged. Good morning. It's not morning. It's afternoon. It's Saturday and we're on our way into town because we couldn't decide what to do. And we did a couple of bits this morning, sorting out some books to sell and stuff like that. and we're now kind of like just wandering in to work out what to do. So who knows what today will bring? I'm sure I'll take you along with us anyway. We can't stay away from the place. We're always here. When life is really hard and you have to sleep on the vegetable tray. Oh, Annie! Oh, what a hard time. What a hard time. Meal plan and shopping done. Now time to go out. Hello, it's Sunday and late again because I was doing my normal Sunday stuff. And we're at Tatton Park today. There's a medieval fair, but we're not going because it's paid for. So we're going to head for a wander, maybe out into Knutsford, have a look around and enjoy the cooler weather. See, we actually have 2 layers on today, which is so strange. So I'll show you around. To the end of our walk at Tatton, so I thought I might as well sign off now because I'll probably forget later because that tends to be what I do. So I'd just like to say thanks for coming along again. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to pop any questions if you have any for Jit or even for me. I could do a Q&A for me as well. So if you've got any questions, bob them in the comments, and I look forward to having you along next week. Cheers for coming. See ya.